저택에 비명소리가 울려 퍼지고 살해된 여성이 발견되며 이야기가 시작됩니다. 크리스마스를 앞두고 사망한 저택의 주인 레이첼.
Follow me.
I'm going to take charge of this, Leo. Nothing left to chance.
사건 현장에선 막내 아들 잭의 지문이 발견됩니다.
Perfect match.
수감된 잭을 찾아간 아버지 레오.
And never faced any consequences.
Please find that man and he can prove it.
Your fingerprints mixed with your mother's blood.
그런데 얼마 후 자신의 무죄를 주장하던 잭이 교도소에서 살해당합니다. 죽은 레이첼은 5명의 아이들을 입양한 어머니였고 죽은 잭은 그녀의 막내 아들이었습니다. 호화로운 모습을 보였던 아가일 가족. 그들에겐 도대체 무슨 일이 벌어졌던 것일까요? 의문의 남성이 어디론가 향하고 한 여성은 저택의 새 안주인이 되기 위한 준비가 한창입니다.
Hester!
그녀는 비서로 일하던 그웬다입니다.
It's my house now.
아가일 가족의 첫째 딸 메리의 곁엔 휠체어를 탄 남편 필립이 있습니다. 아버지 레오의 재혼에 참석하기 위해 가족들이 하나둘 도착합니다. 둘째 마이클이 도착하자마자 그를 끌고 가는 메리. 그녀는 아버지의 재혼에 반대하고 있었죠.
That works in our favor. I've got a plan. You pay her a lot of attention. You flatter her.
What?
You make a pass at her. She responds, which she will because she's a tart.
You need to lie down in a nice dark room for just about the rest of your life.
You never help. You just swan off to Korea, to your new life in London.
Korea was a war, not a bloody holiday.
Are you going to help save Daddy from Gwenda, yes or no?
No.
My best man. Mary, isn't this wonderful? He's come home.
Wonderful.
Do you think it's too soon? Mary's not taking it particularly well.
I'm happy for you.
Well, that means a great deal, you know. A very great deal.
가족들이 모이고 있을 때 초대받지 않은 의문의 남성이 저택에 도착합니다.
I'm Arthur Calgary. I'm Jack Argyle's alibi.
자신이 잭의 알리바이라는 캘거리와 대화를 시작하는 레오.
It was Christmas Eve, 1954. He flagged me down and I gave him a lift to the local town. I dropped him off outside the public house. He told me it was just before 9, but it says here that your wife died just before 9. And I'm willing to go on oath in court. He didn't do it.
Jack died in prison before the case could come to trial.
잭이 죽었다는 사실에 놀라는 캘거리.
And I hope you'll leave us to our own hard-won peace.
하지만 넷째 헤스터는 잭에 대한 의구심을 놓지 못합니다.
What if Jack was telling the truth? What if he was innocent?
Leave it. You going on won't change anything or bring anyone back.
셋째 크리스티나와 대화를 나누는 메리.
Look at her. Pointing at flowers as if she's the queen. Why doesn't it kill you like it kills me?
Because it doesn't.
I was the first. I loved Mother longest. Mother? Always pulling at me. It's intolerable. It's different for you.
It's not different for me.
You think you were the favorite. Mother just felt sorry for you. Filth! Filth! Filth!
You can't go out.
I'm just going to go out and have a quiet supper in town, all right?
Now, you won't drink too much, will you?
You look very pretty.
남편 필립의 접대 멘트 한마디에 메리는 미소를 보입니다. 그녀는 언제나 애정을 갈구하는 모습을 보이죠. 그날 저녁 레오의 결혼 발표 파티에는 모든 가족들이
I
모입니다.
would like to say thank you
가정부
to
커스틴도
Gwen
그 모습을
for
지켜보고
agreeing to
있었죠.
be my wife
No.
forever.
그녀는 평생 아이들과 함께 돈독한 관계를 가졌습니다.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's Calgary.
I'm going to the police. I've telephoned them and told them I'm coming in to make a statement.
Jack was innocent.
And your wife's killer is still free.
잭에 대해 다시 증언하기로 결심하고 아가일 저택으로 향하던 캘거리는 경찰서장을 마주칩니다.
Are you certain about this?
Whoever was investigating accused the wrong man.
I'll go ahead. Set everything up for you.
Could have given me a lift.
그런데 잠시 후 경찰서장의 차가 돌아와 그를 향해 돌진합니다. 고라니 키를 실패해 혼자 사망한 경찰서장.
You all thought he was a con man. What if Jack was telling the truth? What if there really was an alibi?
Why would someone want to run you over?
He had a signet ring on his little finger. You know him.
Bellamy Gould, our friend.
I was being shut up, got rid of. You can't trust the police. They're covering for someone.
And as for Bellamy, who I thought was my friend, he arrested Jack.
I gave my clothes to a
과거의 잭은 누군가에겐 성가신 존재였습니다. 특히 격식을 따지는 레이첼과는 상극이었죠. 게다가 그는 경찰서장 부인까지 건드립니다.
your husband.
He's the chief constable, very important man. He says you should have gone to Korea with your brother. He says a good war would sort you out. And move. I need to get to the bathroom. Nasty boy.
얼마 후 잭이 버린 짓을 알고 직접 찾아온
He has been
경찰서장.
stealing from us.
Well, why would she give you money?
Because I've been fucking her, Mother.
Bellamy, I am so... The Goulds are friends of ours.
Stop smiling. Stop pretending. And in return, I'll stop.
You won't break me, Jack.
화가 난 경찰서장은 잭에게 이를 갈았죠. 캘거리는 자신이 정신병원에서 탈출했었다는 사실을 실토하고 아가일 가족들과 대화를 나눕니다.
And are you quite well now?
If Jack didn't kill Mother, then who did?
There was someone else here. There was her car parked on the road. I had to swerve to avoid it. Small, brown. The fact that I'm too late for Jack is unbearable, but I can clear his name.
Well, my solicitor will be here first thing in the morning, and then we can begin clearing Jack's name.
Where are you going?
And I wasn't even in the house that evening. So?
Yeah. You told us you got rid of that car. A red car might easily be mistaken for brown.
남은 네 사람은 그들만의 대화를 나누러 숲으로 향합니다.
I wanted to speak to Mother about changing my job at the library.
If you're going to make something up, try and make it good.
It's what happened. I was with her.
Why were you there?
Backup. You know what Mother was like.
Tina, why didn't you just say that you were there?
I didn't want anyone thinking that Mother was difficult to talk to.
You sound like you've been practicing that in the mirror.
That I had done something, and every time I said that to you, you couldn't tell me that I hadn't.
You're no better than that. Throwing yourself at men. So cheap. It's no wonder Daddy's ashamed of you.
None of you should have been it! On my own with her, it should have just been me! You ruined it, you all ruined it!
Mary. Was it you?
그 시각 메리의 남편 필립은 집안 사람들에 대해 수상함을 느껴 경찰을 부르려
Put the
했지만
telephone down.
레오에게 제지당합니다.
We'll talk when you're sober.
하지만 집안에 살인범이 있을지 모른다는 생각에 위협을 느껴 몰래 저택을 빠져나가려는 필립. 힘겹게 문을 열었지만 그의 등 뒤에서 들리는 발소리.
Oh, God. Of course it's you.
Why were you so convinced it was Jack?
The evidence against him seemed conclusive. Everything against him seemed conclusive.
Where is Mrs. Durrant?
Why?
The shower has been running quite a while, I think.
Philip! Philip! We're coming in.
필립은 시신으로 발견됩니다. 그때 저택을 나서는 커스틴. 그리고 밤새 대화를 나눈 네 사람은 잭이 범인이 아닐 거란 결론을 내립니다.
Where are you going? Has Philip run for me?
I didn't hear him.
You look terrible.
So do you. All of you. You've been fighting.
And talking. We've been talking. No more secrets.
Come on, soldier boy. We've got beers. Guess what? We're going swimming!
You want to live in a bed sit. I'm incredibly proud of you, Christina. Do you have your eye on a young man?
I don't have time for anything like that.
티나의 독립을 허락해준 레이첼은 고마워하는 티나에게 까칠하게
I've trained you
대합니다.
better than that.
하지만 그녀는 어떤 상실감을 느낀 건지 고통스러워했고 그런 그녀 곁엔 커스틴이 있어줍니다.
Breathe.
Did you come to tell us something?
We understand how it could happen with Mother, especially that night.
Anyone can snap.
Kirsten, my mother pushed people. She pushed all of us.
이번엔 헤스터의 과거입니다.
If you're going to be mediocre, Hester, at least look pretty.
어머니의 강압에 못
I'm
견뎌
sorry I'm never going to be
가출하는
good enough for
헤스터.
you. I can't live here anymore.
시간이 흐른 그날은 필립이 사고로 다리를 잃은 날이었습니다.
Last post.
소란한 틈에 레이첼은 커스틴에게 온 편지 하나를 몰래 뜯어봅니다. 그것은 헤스터의 편지였죠. 그날 밤 밖에서 술을 마신 잭은 마이클의 집에 찾아갔지만 마이클이 없어서 차에서 잠을 청합니다. 그리고 잠시 후 전혀 예상치 못한 광경을 목격했죠. 키스를 나누는 마이클과 티나. 레이첼은 헤스터를 찾아갑니다.
Where's Hester?
You have got to be the mother.
It's a check for £500. You take it on the understanding that you never contact my daughter again.
마이클과 잭이 헤스터와 연락을 하고 지낸 걸 알게 된 레이첼.
Where's Simon?
He's gone to get eggs and bread so we can have breakfast. I'm not cross, Hester. Sugar milk. Your favorite.
Oh, very well.
Hold on tight.
About 3 months. May I?
Have the porters bring her to my car and burn the clothes that she was wearing.
레이첼은 헤스터의 동의 없이 아이를 지워버렸습니다.
Hester's in the car. Tell everyone she has flu. Get her in, put her straight to bed. Go. Christina, it's Mother. Come to the house, find Michael and bring him to.
마이클을 호출하고 잭에게 무언의 화를 내는 레이첼. 잠시 후 그녀는 설상가상 레오의 서재에서 떨어진 속옷을 발견합니다. 그 모습을 흥미롭게 지켜보는 잭.
I'll talk to you in your study.
Naughty daddy.
Yours. You're nothing special, Gwenda. He's done this before.
I'm not the grateful one.
Ordinary bitch. Put your cheap knickers on and get out of my house.
You know, I never really enjoy Christmas, but this one's shaping up to be a real belter. Esther?
She has a fever. It's flu.
I'm divorcing you, Leo. You'll be
레오는
penniless. You'll have to
이혼을
work for a living.
통보받고 애정결핍 메리는 안 좋은 타이밍에 레이첼을 건드렸죠.
Why did you get me if you weren't going to love me?
I was sad, Mary. I thought you could make up for that sadness. It's not your fault you couldn't.
God almighty, Mother.
You're leaving, Jack. Michael and Christina are coming to get you.
Have a drink, Mother.
I don't want to drink.
Well, they've always been close, haven't they? Tina and Mickey, Mickey and Tina. I suppose it was inevitable. But they're at each other. Lovers. I saw them. Poor Mother. You should have left me at the orphanage.
I didn't get you from an orphanage. The woman who gave birth to you is in the kitchen. You've known her
불난
all
집에
along.
휘발유 뿌리러 들어왔던 잭은 자신의 친모가 커스틴이라는 충격적인 사실을 알게 되었습니다.
But you won't be separated. No one will ever know. None of this is your fault, Kirsten. None of it.
Did you want something to eat?
I'm just gonna sit here for a bit.
쉴 새 없이 바쁜 레이첼은 티나를 만나러 갑니다.
Christina, meet me in the garden room, and Michael, you stay in the car.
I'll walk with you.
Do as I say.
Of course it's Jack.
Wouldn't he marry you?
What? Who?
When you told him you were having a baby?
It wasn't like that.
Is it because of him that I am the way I am?
I can't. Are you coming back?
Of course I am. How did you bear it?
I just did.
차에서 대기하던 마이클은 지나가던 캘거리를 목격했고 집에서 나온 잭은 캘거리의 차를 얻어 탑니다. 그리고 레이첼에게 불려온 티나.
Jack tells me that you and Michael are involved with each other. Tell me it isn't true. Oh, you're disgusting. You are filth, 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 filth!
Jack saw us. He told her.
Well, she was going to have to find out sooner or later, wasn't she?
We're disgusting. We're filth.
No. Not any of those things. Don't run.
Let me go. Let me go.
티나는 충격을 받고 마이클을 포기했죠.
You have time.
I believed it was true. We all did. That Jack had done it. And his fingerprints. They were on what was used to kill her. On the decanter.
Then the weapon must have been something else.
I didn't leave Philip shot out for him last night. How could he overdose if I didn't leave him his shot? It doesn't make any sense. He can't reach the morphine on his own.
캘거리 그리고 메리와 대화를 나눈 커스틴은 불현듯 의구심이 생겼고 레오의 방을 훑어보다가 조각상에서 핏자국을 발견합니다. 그 조각상이 진짜 범행 흉기였죠. 레오에게 머리를 맞은 레이첼은 정신을 잃었다 깨어났습니다. 그때 그녀를 찾아온 커스틴.
Well,
You said he'd never know. You promised.
I'm sorry. I was angry. None of this is your fault. None of it. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's happening to me.
I'm going to get help.
No, don't leave me. Please don't leave me. I'm so frightened. Little Kirsten.
Rachel.
You say you went home at the usual time.
What are you doing up there?
Making sure there's no one else upstairs. Go to your rooms. Do not go downstairs. Jack was here.
레오는 자신의 친아들을 팔아 범행을
Your
덮었습니다.
fingerprints mixed with your mother's blood.
All right. Now, let's go to trial. What everyone will want to know is what made him the way he is.
It's something in you. It's your temperament.
Something I've inherited.
Maybe, who can say?
Kirsten can. I've worked it all out.
You're mistaken.
She was 15. No, she told us once it was the first time she'd had a room of her own. And who walks into it? You with your cock in your hand. The murderer's father. If I get the rope, I'll walk that scaffold with a song in my heart. It'll be worth it. I'm going to ruin you. And I'm coming for you.
잭을 증오했던 경찰서장은 재소자를 시켜 싸움을 가장한 살인을 사주했죠.
Open the window!
Unlock the window, come out!
Why?
You're in danger. And we need to get you out.
I'll get my case.
Forget your case, Arthur!
I'm leaving now.
Well, let me see you to the door.
유일한 증인인 캘거리는 레오가 부른 정신병원 직원들에게 잡혀갑니다.
That fragile young man has been a stooge, not an alibi.
So Jack's still guilty.
No one wanted him to be innocent more than me.
Why is he dead? Jack.
I told them how he was mine and yours.
Why is he dead?
He started a fight with another prisoner. You know this.
But they never found out who killed him.
Did they try?
Of course. What is this?
How did he start the fight?
Maybe he said the wrong thing to the wrong person.
Did Philip? Did Mother?
What the hell are you accusing me of? Have you lost your damn mind?
That time he said he'd have every bone in Jack's body broken. And you didn't say that he shouldn't. And I keep thinking how you went to see Jack and the next day he was dead. My baby.
Oh, Kirsten. This is her revenge because I'm marrying again and I haven't chosen her. Your life in this house is over.
캘거리가 이송되는 것을 보고 방으로 들어온 레오 앞엔 범행 흉기를 찾은 가족들이 기다리고 있었습니다. 그 시간 이후 레오는 호수에 흔적만 남긴 채 사라졌죠.
Why? We were so happy.
You admitted it, Gwenda.
Admitted what? Mother.
얼마 뒤 네 사람은 캘거리를 데리러 병원에 갔고 집안일을 하던 커스틴이 지하방에 갇혀있는 레오를 들여다보며 이야기가 마무리됩니다.
Kirsten! Kirsten! Kirsten, come back!
이 드라마는 아가사 크리스티의 소설을 원작으로 BBC에서 제작한 3부작 드라마입니다. 원작을 너무 많이 각색했다는 이 드라마는 최종 범인조차 다르게 각색되면서 호불호가 상당히 갈리는 평가를 받았습니다. 영상이 길어 짧게 마칩니다.